Welcome back, you guys, to another video. This is going to be a short update on my IPOC position for those of you following my option trades. This is not an update on IPOC news. Although the channel is named Options Temple, the irony of the name is that options only makes about 20 to 30% of my portfolio at any given time. I will also go over a little on the topic of margin and margin on options, which is basically margin on margin, which is very dangerous. Leverage can help you for significant returns, or it can also clear your account out with a nice little margin call. For those of you who haven't watched my previous IPOC video, click on the card above to see the first video. If you're new here, welcome to Options Temple, where we attempt to enter our trades and investments at the best possible time. When it comes to options, timing is everything. I like to invest heavily in stocks and use options as a tool to supplement my stock positions. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. On December 21st, I had bought 3 contracts of the February 10th strike calls for a premium of $3.60 at 8:17 a.m. Pacific time. 20 minutes later, I added 7 more contracts at a price of $3.78. I now had 10 contracts at a total investment of around $3,700. I was extremely confident in my entry and was very happy with my entry price. I had no worries or concerns holding this position all the way until the end of January. This was a state of mind I had coming into this position due to the information and research I had made about the company. It was a high conviction trade. This position was placed on a Friday during stimulus negotiation talks. I was very bullish going into the weekend and was using margin on my account to enter this position. I was leveraged about 45% of my account. I was expecting a big week this week. Over the weekend, Congress had finally agreed on a stimulus bill for the president to sign off, and our President Trump sabotaged the stimulus. This was not the outcome I was expecting. The strategy was to be leveraged for the stimulus rally. Anything that would compromise the outcome of the stimulus, I had to immediately sell all my speculative positions, no matter how great the positions were. Unfortunately, IPOC was one of 3 big speculative option positions I had to sell to reduce that risk exposure. I'm still highly convicted, and if the position wasn't on margin, I would have still held the position. I held throughout the week for some hope of the bill possibly being signed off, but it never did. I sold the position on December 24th. It was too risky for my leverage account, and I didn't want the long weekend exposure of further bad news. I closed a complete trade for $5,100. The original total investment was $3,726, which left me with a profit of $1,374, a 36.8% profit in just 1 week. Although it hurt me to close the position since it was a high convicted trade, the way I look at it, the position was open with money I didn't have, and this was all a blessing. Overall, thankful for the position. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. Just to touch base a little on margin, when you use margin on your account and then open naked option positions, you are using margin on margin since options already have leverage. This is a great way to blow up your account. This is not recommended unless you have experience managing a portfolio with very strict rules and sticking to your rules no matter what. I opened the leverage position since there was positive stimulus news across the market, but since the stimulus was compromised, I had to close the position no matter how big the potential profits were going to be. You definitely don't want to have risky exposure over the weekend, especially when there's negative catalysts in sight. Although I did open the position over a weekend, the catalyst going into the weekend was positive. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. I trade and invest very aggressively for rapid growth according to my risk tolerance.